My name is Renee. I live in Los Angeles, California. Recently I had Novell Remodeling did some job in my house. I'm very pleased with Novell because they were very thorough. Once they came to my house, the staff they were on time. If they promised to do something on time, it was on time. They did the foundation at the house. They also bolted the house. We also did some bathroom remodeling, which I'm very happy with. Overall, I'm very happy with the customer service, so I would definitely recommend Novell Remodeling.